Hello YouTube, how to properly store berries so they don't spoil. Summer is the time for seasonal berries, tasty, fragrant and rich in various vitamins. But you probably noticed that often the berries deteriorate very quickly and become moldy. The expert talked about how to store berries correctly so that they remain suitable for consumption as long as possible. Here are a few ways to extend the shelf life of berries and reduce the chance of them getting moldy in the refrigerator. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, currants and many other berries are often sold in supermarkets or markets in plastic boxes with holes, and when we buy such a box with berries, we bring them home and usually put them in the refrigerator. Alice Beer explains that the berries are very porous, tender, and thin-skinned, and as a result, they can quickly decompose, forming blue-gray mold or flattening. The solution to this problem is to put the berries in a bowl with a cup of vinegar and 2 cups of water, says the expert. You put the berries in vinegar for 10 minutes, rinse them, dry them and put them in a container with a paper towel. Vinegar kills mold on the surface, but the berries also do not smell like vinegar, because they were washed afterwards. But the most important thing here is to store them along with paper towels. Paper towels are your god, they absorb moisture, shares a life hack. The expert suggests transferring the berries to a shallow container and covering it with a paper towel. Stored this way, the berries can last up to 10 days before they rot. It is also important to avoid the coldest areas in the refrigerator for storing berries. It is best to store them in the front and center where the temperature is less cold. This will also help you remember to eat them, as they will always be in front of your eyes. Earlier, we talked about how to properly store bananas so that they stay ripe. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.